Hi guys, YouTube fan. This is Aswin again. Here we are. We have my DIY. This one fly very nice, like you guys saw in the footage. Maybe not yet. It's very simple DIY airplane using my transmitter Spektrum DX6. And I bought online using DSM2 using 2 servo. The footage is on my channel. This one flag rate flight time for about 8 minutes. I can be more 10 minutes. Setting on the transmitter 4 minutes, and so I press another one 4 minutes, so 8 minutes. So just good enough for the battery. Battery is using one cell, 3.7 volt, 560 milliamp right there. The prop using the trim prop, I think the mini Cessna, the one is like great. And then this one I'm making the FT, it's not FT, sorry, the stick, mini stick using just very simple carbon. It fly nice, just a little bit tail heavy because the battery I'm using was very small battery. And like on the footage, you guys can check it out. It's very simple, nice, simple to build, and it fly. So this, I strip out his electronic. He's using DSM2, and so I just went to my computer, and I want to make smaller size is Spitfire MK16 right here. So I print the paper. Actually, I'm drawing. I don't know how to print, so I draw on my computer screen. So I turn on the computer. On the screen I just put this stick paper and I draw, use my pen on the top of the screen. So because I have no idea still printing this. So if you guys better on the computer, you can print out this one, the size. Just cut the body, fuselage you need the wing, so you can make 2 of these, and the tail. Very simple, that's it. And put on the foam, white foam, dollar foam. Then you draw on the top and you cut. So after I'm working on this, the electronic, his electronic already right there. So this one is my newest Spitfire, bit small, very small here, like you guys see. Motor is smaller than that one, because everything is moved to here. And I move the servo, the electronic way to the front, and so get a good more nose heavy, and the shape is very simple as well. So just the rod right there, the problem is a little bit wanky, so you need to put the extra plastic to keep it the carbon rod from wiggling.